Ever posted a tweet or reply that you immediately regretted? You're not alone. Most people get this wrong. They think deleting tweets is complicated, but it's actually straightforward. The surprising truth is you can delete individual tweets or even clean up your entire history with the right tools. Here's the basic method for deleting a single tweet. Open X and go to your profile. Scroll through your tweets to find the one you want to remove. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the tweet and select Delete Tweet. Confirm your choice, and it's gone. This works for both tweets and replies you made on other posts. If you want to delete multiple tweets at once, third-party tools like Tweet Delete or Tweet Eraser can help. These tools allow you to filter tweets by date, keyword, or engagement level and delete them in bulk. Most people get this wrong by trying to manually delete hundreds of tweets. It's time-consuming and unnecessary. A few tips. Deleted tweets are permanently removed from your profile and timeline, but X may take a short time to fully remove them from search results. Also, if someone has already retweeted or screenshot your post, deletion won't erase those copies. Finally, consider your privacy settings going forward. You can make your account private to limit who can see your tweets or set up filters for sensitive content. This reduces the need for frequent deletions in the future. In conclusion, deleting tweets and replies on X is easy once you know the steps. Whether it's a single post or hundreds, you can clean up your profile efficiently and maintain control over your online presence. If this guide helped you tidy up your Twitter profile, subscribe for more tips on managing your social media effectively.